Drinking karak tea or coffee early in the morning is one of the best feeling ever, especially for those non-early risers. Give them the boost that they need for the day. Have you ever thought or read or heard any people that drink coffee or karak tea in the Bible? I guess none. But there are early risers, like for example David, which is coming from 1 Samuel chapter 17 verse 20. It says there that David rose early in the morning in order to obey his father's command to him. Also, there is something from John 8 to 2. It says there that Jesus went early in the morning to teach people about God. And there are a lot of Bible verses coming from here, and these Bible verses about people waking up early. In my opinion, waking up early gives you the ability for a time to serve yourself or others. Thank you guys!